Hello, my dear students. Hello, my dear students. Good morning to all of you. In the previous class, we have already studied about present tense. Now we have to study past indefinite or simple past tense. Is it clear? Here, topic is written simple past tense, and to translate any Hindi sentence, we have to identify first in which tense this sentence is given. So that first of all there is a identification to identify the sentence in which tense this sentence is given. If sentence ends with ta tha ti thi te the ya ye here ta tha ti thi te the ya ye, then the sentence will be in simple past tense. Is it clear? For that, there is a structure how you have to translate. For this, there is a structure given, and the structure is, first of all, you have to write subject, after that V2, after that object. Subject is, what is subject? Now there is a problem to identify subject also. Whenever you have need to find subject, you have to arise a question with verb who. Is it clear? Just think, I am telling in Hindi, राम घर जाता है. कौन घर जाता है? Who is going? Is it clear? Who goes? After that, after the creating a question, you can find an answer. कौन घर जाता है? राम घर जाता है. So that here Ram will be subject. Is it clear? To identify the subject, you have to arise a question who. After that, you have to write V2. After that, object. For object also, you can ask a question what. ठीक है ना? If you asking a question what, अगर what question आप करते हैं तो जो जवाब मिलेगा वो ऑब्जेक्ट होगा. कौन क्वेश्चन करते हैं जो जवाब मिलेगा वो सब्जेक्ट होगा. इस प्रकार से आप सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट को भी आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं, पहचान कर सकते हैं. नाउ स्ट्रक्चर इज हियर गिवन. अ स्ट्रक्चर इज, first of all you have to write subject, after that V2, after that object for simple past. And here example is given, वे लोग बाजार गए. Sentence end with a, गए, या ये. Is it clear? So that the structure will be this will be the structure, subject V2 and object, because sentence end with या ये. So now for this, to translate this sentence in English, we have to now वे लोग बाजार गए. To translate this sentence, we have to follow the rule which is given here. Structure, subject V2 and object. Then what will be the translation? Translation will be they went to market. First of all, you have to write subject. Subject is they. After that V2 is go and went. Went is the second form of go. After that to market. Now there is the another sentence. वह क्रिकेट खेलता है. Sentence end with ता है. ता था, sorry. क्रिकेट खेलता था. Sentence end with ता था. ता था is also given in simple past, so that the structure will be used. This structure will be used. Is it clear? Now, what will be the translation? Translation will be वह क्रिकेट खेलता था. Subject वह, so that here he. Verb खेलना, खेलता था. V2 is played. And क्या खेलता था? Cricket. Cricket is object. Getting me or not getting? Yes. Now here is not given. सब्जेक्ट कोई भी हो, सब में वर्ब का दूसरा रूप ही लगेगा. आपका सब्जेक्ट कोई भी हो, वर्ब का दूसरा रूप ही इसमें लगेगा. ठीक है ना? पास्ट एंड डेफिनिट सिंपल पास्ट का सबसे अच्छा क्या है फ़ायदा कि आपको सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग वर्ब और इज, एम आर, वाज, वेयर ये सब नहीं चूज करना है. केवल आपको V2 लगाना है, सब्जेक्ट कोई भी हो V2 लगाना है, उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट लगाना है, ठीक है ना। तो सो दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू हैव टू लर्न इट, ओके।